my name is Stephanie. I am the owner and CEO of the Hair Maven Salon, and I just really wanted to come on here and rave about Financial Services Plus and Miss Marche. I have really appreciated working with her since I've hired her earlier this year, and I wanted to share just a few things that she's been able to help me with in my business. One of those things has been setting up the structure of my business, as well as helping me to become more disciplined with my finances. And let me tell y'all, Miss Marche is also the plug. She has been such a great resource for me. So if you're looking for someone to hire to help you with your finances and also to help your business to grow, I definitely recommend that you hire Miss Marche and her team with Financial Services Plus.